Welcome back. In this video, we'll go over the 5 basic vowel sounds in Japanese. aiueo. The first character we'll learn is a. Which of these characters is a? The next character we'll learn is I. Which of these characters is I? I. The next character we'll learn is U. Which of these characters is U? Au. The next character we'll learn is e. Which of these characters is e? Ue. Ie. The final character we'll learn in this video is o. Which of these characters is o? Ao. Before we end this video, let's talk a bit about stroke order. When writing the Hiragana characters, you'll notice that there's a specific order to follow when writing each stroke. In reality, not everyone always follows the correct stroke order when writing Japanese. But when you're first learning the characters, it's important that you use the correct stroke order. This is because using a consistent stroke order will help you memorize the characters faster, and it'll improve your handwriting. Also, stroke order follows a general pattern that applies to all of the Japanese characters. So if you get used to using the correct stroke order when you're learning Hiragana, you'll have an easier time learning the stroke order for katakana and kanji in the future. You may also notice that some characters look a bit different depending on the typeface or font. The way a character looks on a screen may be different from how you would write it by hand. This is why it's important to use a practice sheet when you write the characters for the first time. We learned the vowels a, I, U, e, o. In the next lesson, we'll go over the characters ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. See you in the next video!